So the current themes and the opportunities and the outlook for real estate, I would put into three broad categories. So looking globally, I would say there are key themes still around about distribution warehouses and logistics. And these still seem the sector of the market that's most attractive to us because we're still managing to achieve the highest income growth. And even within that, the last mile logistics, the urban logistics warehouses are most interesting from our perspective. We're still globally concerned about the retail sector, and that will continue to play out through 2019 and into next year. And then on a regional basis, I would say from a perspective, we see the strongest opportunities in Europe and pan-European markets outside of the UK, where a number of the markets are still undersupplied and we're still seeing some healthy levels of rental growth. In addition to that, I would say in Asia, we're still focused on markets such as the distribution warehouses in Australia that provide a high attractive income yield relative to the other sectors that we invest in. So the final point is the structural changes that we're seeing in the market. So that, for example, the investment in the private residential sector, which actually is most interesting in Europe, where the demographics, the lack of supply and the affordability issues mean that that sector is clearly in focus for investors and offers opportunities. And then the final point I would make is around about the allocation to alternatives generally. So investors are now focused on diversifying their portfolios away from the traditional commercial sectors into what we would call alternative, for example, healthcare or student accommodation. And there's some key fundamental reasons for that. They do offer diversity, they're not based on the same commercial drivers and can add that positive diversification benefit for investors.